Hi, I'm Nathan Oakley, and this is going to be another update video for the why objects disappear from bottom up on a flat plane. And the criticism from some of the trolls is that the floor isn't level. Now, even though the obstruction on my update video of the gap underneath the cupboards disappears in a very linear fashion before I even get to the surface, if you are to assume that the entire obstruction only takes place when the phone is on the floor, you have to take into consideration the equipment that I'm using and the fact that you have approximately, I'm going to call it, it's 1.7, but let's call it 1.5 centimetres. So you've got 1.5 centimetres above the surface of the floor, which is why, unlike with this surface, the table, I can actually put the camera on the edge on a tripod and get the camera lens right up to the edge, whereas in the long haul I can only get the camera as low as this, i.e. 1.5 centimetres above the level of the floor. The reason I'm pointing all this out is if you are to suggest that the surface of the floor is not level and therefore there is an obstruction from the floor itself, due to the fact that this floor used for playing table tennis on is actually curving or unlevel enough or uneven enough for a 1.5 centimetre tile difference to actually interfere and cause an obstruction. Now that's not the case, obviously not. As the camera lowers and raises in the footage, you can see that you're not getting just an obstruction from the ground level, you're seeing a linear distortion of the actual angle of view. The way you can tell this is the case is by watching the gap. So as you can see in this image, which I'll play a few more times, the gap as the camera lowers gets smaller as the angle decreases. The same as the bottom section on Ranty's boats. I've been Nathan Oakley and I'll see you all in the next video.